3 is asking us to find the roots and give the multiplicity. So I'm recommending that we're going to use, actually what I would use is Desmos. Because if you use Desmos and graph this, you can see where it crosses the x-axis, and those are the roots, okay? So that's how I started out. And then from there, I saw that x minus 1 and x minus 5 had to be factors, right? Okay. But the problem is sometimes it's not very easy to see from Desmos what the multiplicity is. And so that's where the synthetic division comes into play. And my choice was arbitrary, but you could use either positive 1 or positive 5 and use synthetic division to break this down into its factors. Okay, I chose 5. You can choose whatever you want. But then we have 1, we have -7, 11, and -5. And this is going to go pretty quick because synthetic division is just that, quick. So -2, -10, this is equal to 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And we knew this was coming. We knew there was going to be a remainder of 0 because it was a, there's factors. It goes in, these factors are divisible. It's no remainder. Okay, so this is x to the 0, x to the first, x to the second. So we know with confidence that x minus 5 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 are the factors, right? Okay, so we also know that x minus 1 is a factor because we saw it on Desmos. But we're going to discover that here in just a minute when we do factoring of this trinomial here. This is a positive 1 and a negative 2. So if we have x minus 1 times x minus 1, this negative 1 and negative 1 will give us positive 1. When we add these two together, we'll get our negative 2. So here is the factored version of this. Now, one way that I know that I'm done is that I have x times x times x here. There's x to the third. So I know that I've got all of my factors represented. So the roots, okay, 1, positive 1 is one of the roots with multiplicity of 2, right? Because it appears twice. The other root is 5 with multiplicity of 1 because this factor only appears once, okay? I hope that started to make sense. Don't be lazy and just listen to what I said. Actually take time to put this into Desmos and see that it crosses the x-axis at 1 and positive 5, okay?